me. If there is anything I've done, say it to my face. I don't thief your husband. I don't sleep with your husband. If I have, come out. Come and say it out. If I don't snatch your boyfriend, come and say it out. We bold enough. I don't have anybody to insult my family. I will not take it. That is the highest of it. Because see this social media, this platform, this cyber space, I'll be minding my business. I'll mind my own business. Not that you go tell me when I'll take bone. It's not your problem. You don't even, God forbid, I don't have a problem. You don't even know what is going on with my life. So you don't have the right. You are not my mother. You are not my siblings. So you don't have the right to tell someone where to give birth or where not to give birth. If you feel that you are the God that gives children, Oga or Madam, bone may you give me, make a carry. Bone may you give me, make a carry. Please stop sending DM to me. Stop commenting rubbish on my post. Please oh, I dey beg you now. I dey beg you now. I dey beg you now in the name of God. Stop it. Imagu wa deni kwen, Imagu wa deni kwen. I will take all the manner of insult you are giving to me, but don't bring my family to social media. If I really want to trend my family, I will do it. I have a platform. I have a platform. I have a platform. Leave my family out of your stupid mouth and face your own life. Face your life. Face your life. No go and face your life and leave Festina alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't live fake life. I live my life just the way it is. Just the way it is. I mind my business. If no make I know they live life which I don't feel afford. Leave me alone. In God's timing. In God's timing. I go born. In God's timing. I go born. I go get my own children. Please. Oh no, my beer stop mocking people. Stop mocking people and stop intruding people's life. Please. It is not your duty. It is not. For God's sake, leave me alone. Leave me alone. And to all of you sending me messages, proclaiming into my life, saying that come on, for God's sake. Let me dress the way I want to be dressed. It is not your business. God, it is not your business. Let me tell you, the way I dress doesn't affect you. It is my body. It is my life. Your sister, let me let you know now. You see that all those your sisters, when they dress, they cover neck. They stand for what they call her, Iyama. They stand for Iyama. They stand for first bar. So worry about your little sister of 16 to 18 years to 20 years, 25 years, when they stand for road or in the name of money. But in the afternoon, they go dress, use cloth, cover neck. I bet leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm a very hard-working woman. Very hard-working woman. Straightforward. I mind my business. If no make be oh me wala wo wasemia. Wasemia de kun. But the boy me kun re wala wo. Next do atie ni work ba. Wala. Let this be the first time and the last time. No, not the first. Let this be the last time. I don't know who you are. I've blocked you more than twice. But you keep opening different accounts to attack me. You want me to go down, but you will go down before me. You will go down before me. Leave my family out of your mouth. Leave me alone. Oh, whilst I'm not even. Oh, what be me? Please. 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 What's in here? Walao. Walao. It's enough. It's enough. Please. It's enough. As I'm not coming to you to ask for how to feed my family. It is not your business. I'm not knocking on your door to borrow me money. Leave me alone. I'm not coming to you to say, oh my God, they give me married by sin. Send me a drink water and half peace. Drink water and half peace. No going to daily wa. Drink water and half peace. When you soon word and water and half peace. When you soon word and wa. Muna leave me alone. Muna leave me alone. Muna leave me alone. I don't know what to do. It don't too much. It don't too much. First now Peter, leave me the hell alone. Please. Please. Leave me alone. I beg. We didn't come for them.
Una no they get husband. Like even baby father, no they get. For Europe now, if maybe person born, even though he never marry him, he not marry him. People wait they Europe no they share. You go must know the person, you go see know a baby father. I don't dey understand una for Nigeria, especially with the one way. Okay, may I start from what did they call this our actress way be Ebony best friend. Like that na be Ebony best friend before. What it be her name? What did they call now? Whether now they name Mattis. Oh my word. Oh, this girl name something Mattis, something like that. Now Ebony Ty's friend. We don't know him baby papa. He just carry belly. Now no say that one come born, he come dey UK, or till now he dey UK. We don't even know him papa of his pikin. I don't know why una dey hide una baby papa. This thing not good though. Maris, thank you. Please, make una share this video for me. Oh, my mom is Ziki. God bless you, ma. I don't know what they happen to Edo actresses. Abi national una dey share. Una know they see we way they abroad Europe. Una don't see single mother way they hide in baby father. If you don't know that person husband and he born pikin for, he go show. This thing what they do, no good though. Mattis, he born. We don't know the person where he even born for. We don't even know her. He don't even do marriage. As that get your fine wish. And all these things, una way all these things they happen to una fine. As that get fine wish, no husband. We not say get baby papa, but we not even see her. Whether na the one he born for, whether na man where he be say he get 20 children, whether na man where he be say he get 5 wives, we not even know. See Igbo actress Regina Daniels. He shares man where he be say he dey 70 years. With how many wives? He bring her come out. People talk, even people where he talk, now they come they see and ask, okay, Regina Daniels do the right choice. Why be say our old they high? Even though a person husband you marry, we don't care, bring her come out. That time where be say Francis, which they call that one. Where can't follow, no say that one husband that time 52 years. Where be say the man don't forget another wife where he born one picking for her. We don't even to talk that time. I don't even show if I was not yet a presenter. Okay, but at least he bring you, he do marriage. We don't know they like marriage again for Bini. Why you door? Okay, that one I can't see pass. The other one where be say never to tell where he still born. I don't know, make una correct me. That one where be twins. Where he still get body like Sogo. It be one resemble Sogo. That one where be twins now. Whether na any village, what they call now? Oh, he go greet this new girl where yours newborn. This Itohan Igbenudu, our beautiful actress where your newborn. He go greet her that day with his pikin. I don't forget that whether na acting. But I say na acting whether acting the village girl na ite the over. She be twins. She also see born. Nobody know the person where give her belly. Abi he bring it baby papa. Nobody know. Okay. The one where be say he dey Europe, where they from Europe, they go Nigeria. Our late beloved sister, Sharon Pame. Till today, till tomorrow, we don't know the baby papa. Mama no more kone. Where he born to picking for. We don't even see the baby papa. We don't see him. No introduction. No marriage. Nothing. Now you're for brokers. That one show a man. Okay, thank God, I will say. No introduction, nothing. Today to tomorrow, now we don't know who be the children. Who be the papa to the children of our late beloved Sharon Pame. We don't know. I don't know what they fear. Even though a person husband you born for. Atine village girl. Oh, thank you, yes. My beautiful lady say he bring a husband. Okay, because I see and say he born. Now sorry for that one. So Sharon Pame now we don't know person where you born for. Even though say maybe na person husband now you born for. You will get met to take date person husband. He don't concern anybody. In fact, nobody husband will be say he get wife, he can't follow you, he can't toast you. He not be that is he want marry you Johnny wife, or you want become baby mama. But let people know the person where you born for. I don't know why they do this thing. Oh. Even on a person husband you born for, until make we they know who na they born for. In case of tomorrow. Okay, see our beloved late Sharon. Oh, now we don't know person where he born 2 children for. Mama, we don't know. Nobody know. I wish it may be for early age. Say maybe we know who Sharon born picking for. Maybe what it happen to Sharon for not happen. If for not happen, now we all say adi. At least this one where be say day UK. When I say the one where day UK, as it were fair born. The baby papa, you know, accept her. Be I don't know what I want to talk on. He can't do introduction. He can't do marriage. Everything is okay. Now he don't born. The other one, which they call it, that one where be say get belly. Let's say that one get belly. Yes, that one get belly. Precious. Also do he do introduction and he bless an introduction and that one don't do. At least we see the family of the man. I don't know why they hide on a man. He get another one where he see fair where. When it be say easy the most they whether not easy they follow the control page, I don't know. That one they say hair, they say human hair. The girl be like person where they gallant. He build that. He be like saying that one kind husband, another person husband, and she go born for. The girl so he fair. I don't know that one. I don't even know the girl name. But he fair, don't forget his name. He fair, he tall. Now see actress. And that girl gave a good handwork. That girl they do shoe, like shoemaker. Very beautiful, fine with no pimples.